Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here with another Queen's order. So this set is going to Houston, Texas. So let me show y'all what she ordered. The first pair she ordered is called the Bohemian Island earrings. So these are one of my hot sellers. I make these a lot. Even people purchase the same pair more than once. So these are the Bohemian Island earrings. All these earrings that she ordered are on boabwart.com. The next pair is Soldier Girl Dwafe Afro Pick earrings. Dwafe means beauty, femininity. Everybody just think it's a regular Afro pick, but it's a dinker symbol that means beauty, femininity, cleansiness, a beautiful symbol. And then I got the uncle in here. And then I love this design because it got like a little slightly camouflage. And then it got the red, black, and green. And it got gold. And it got that little lime green. Just pop everything out. Just make it so fly. And then this is the back of them. So that is those. So this is the last pair. And the pair that she ordered, y'all will see it up there. And it up on the corner in the picture. She ordered the Afro Flower 2 earrings. Natural hair earrings. And I didn't have that shape in. My inventory must have went down. So I had to get it. I had to get that shape recut. When you read my shop policies, it say items that are handmade, hand painted, may vary in size, shape, and designs. So with this sister, I decided to make a similar design out of the tree. When I received the shape, which the cutter is cutting them now, I'm going to make them and send her the original. So I just wanted to make these a little different from them up there, but similar but different. So it won't seem like she got the same pair. So I'm going to ship those to her as soon as he dropped them off over to me. So yeah, they came out really cool. She'll have the Afro flower pair. So I guess I'll call these the Afro tree pair. And I'll put these on the website. And then this is the back of them. And I like the way I did the sides. This is really cool. So these are the ones. This order is going to Texas. So I want to thank this beloved sister for supporting handmade and black business. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the notification bell. I never say that. This is my first time ever saying that. So you know when a new video coming up. If you want to donate to this channel, you like what I'm giving y'all, it's a link in the description box, or I put a link on the screen. You can donate as low as $1, as high as is what you want to do, and as low as $1. And that will help me keep creating these videos. So if you would like to donate to the channel or donate to the rescue cats that I rescue and get out to good homes, there's an Amazon wish list in the description box. And on my wish list, I have mainly cat supplies and art supplies. And the art supplies are mainly for me to create more videos for y'all. So if y'all want to send something from my Amazon wish list, go check that out. It's in the description box. If you can adopt a pet today, please visit your local shelter and rescues and adopt a cat. It's so many cats or a dog, adopt a pet today. So that get killed due to the fact no one is not adopting them. Please don't walk by litter. Pick it up in your neighborhood. People just throw stuff on the ground. Earth is ours, so we have to take care of it. We are the keepers of our home, which is the earth, so we have to take care of it. Please pick up litters in your neighborhood, or if you anywhere, please pick up litter and just put it in the trash. You'll be surprised of the blessings that come to you naturally just for doing that. I just want to say thank y'all for watching.